Then
Then okay.
good night everyone.
Night
So my
everyone.
name is
So my name is
Giovanni
Giovanni
Sartono, and
Sartono,
today
and today we're
diving into a
diving into a
fascinating world of
fascinating
English
world of English
phonology,
phonology,
uh,
uh,
specifically focusing
specifically
on how
focusing on
sounds
how
change in
sounds
a
change in
connected
a connected
speech.
speech.
So we'll be
So we'll be
exploring for
exploring for
key
key
concept,
concept,
aspiration,
aspiration,
affirmation,
affirmation,
elision, and
elision, and
insertion. So this
insertion. So this
process
process
govern why a
govern
single
why a
sounds
single
or
sounds or
phonemes can have
phonemes
a
can have a
multiple
multiple
variation,
variation,
known as a
known as a
allophone,
allophone,
depending on
depending
its
on its
environment by the
environment
end
by
of
the end
this
of this
presentation.
presentation.
So you will
So you
have a
will have
clearer
a clearer
understanding of the
understanding
hidden
of the
mechanic
hidden
of
mechanic of
English
English
language.
language.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay, so before
right, this one.
right.
So before
So
diving
before
into the
diving into
process,
the
let's
process,
all look into
let's
the
all look into the
process.
process.
Let's look at
Let's look
how
at how
linguistic formalize
linguistic
these
formalize these
change allophonic
allophonic
rules,
rules,
account for the
account for the
distribution of
distribution of
particular
particular
allophones.
allophones.
So since
So since
allophones are in a
allophones are in a
complementary
complementary
distribution,
distribution,
meaning
meaning
two allophone
two
of a
allophone of a
phoneme occur in
phoneme
the same
occur in the same
environment,
environment,
the
the
rules must
rules
capture
must
where
capture where
and why the
and
change
why the change
occurs.
occurs.
So we use
So we use
formal
formal
notation.
notation.
For
For
example,
example,
the material
the
inside
material inside
parentheses is
parentheses is
optional,
optional,
and
and
brace
brace
indicate a
indicate a
disjunction,
disjunction,
meaning the rule
meaning the rule
meaning the rule
meaning the rule
applies
applies
if one
if
of the
one of the
contexts inside
context
the
inside
brace
the
is met.
brace is met.
So this
So this
structure
structure
context is
context is
into a single
into a
rule.
single rule.
So
So
next is
next is
aspiration. So
aspiration. So
let's start with the
let's start with the
aspiration.
aspiration.
This is
This is
the
the
small puff
small
of
puff
air
of air
accompanying the
accompanying the
release of
release of
voiceless stops
voiceless
like
stops
t,
like t,
p, or
p,
k.
or k.
So you can
So you
test
can
this by
test
your
this by your
putting your hand
putting
near
your
your
hand
mouth
near
and
your mouth
feeling
and feeling
the air
the
when
air
you
when
say
you say
tam,
tam,
but not when
but
you
not
say
when you say
stam.
tam.
So
So
aspiration is not
aspiration is not
random.
random.
The rule
The
has to
rule
be
has to be
refined,
refined,
considering words
considering
like
words
attack,
like attack.
the correct.
The correct.
So refined
So
rule is
refined
that
rule is that
voiceless stop
voiceless
is
stop is
aspirated
aspirated
when it
when it
occurs
occurs
in the
in
initial
the initial
position of
position
a
of a
stressed
stressed
syllable.
syllable.
So
So
next
next
up is the
up is the
powerful
powerful
process is
process is
of
of
assimilation. So
assimilation.
this
So this
occurs because
occurs
sounds
because
in a
sounds in a
sequence
sequence
influence their
influence their
neighborhoods.
neighborhoods,
Neighbors acquiring some of
acquiring
their
some of their
characteristic and
characteristic
become
and
more
become
alike.
more alike.
This usually
This usually
happen to
happen
make
to
speech
make
easier.
speech easier.
Every
Every
assimilation
assimilation
involves a
involves
target
a target
segment that is
segment that is
changed
changed
and a third
and a third
segment that
segment that
influence the
influence
change.
the
A
change.
common
A common
example is
example
in the
is
word
in the word
input.
input.
The
The
alveolar nasal
alveolar nasal
change place
change place
of
of
articulation to the
articulation to the
bilabial nasal
bilabial nasal
because of the
because of the
following
following
bilabial stop
bilabial
pah.
stop. Ah.
So next one
So next one
is
is
direction
direction
progressive
progressive
versus
versus
regressive.
regressive.
So if
So if
assimilation is
assimilation is
classified by its
classified by its
direction,
direction,
progressive
progressive
assimilation move
assimilation
forward
move forward
from left to
from
the right.
left to the
So
right. So
the
the
source comes
source
before the
comes before the
target,
target,
preserving some
preserving
aspect
some
of the
aspect of the
segment.
segment.
Regressive
Regressive
assimilation move
assimilation
backward
move backward
from right
from
to the
right
left.
to the left.
So the
So the
target
target
anticipated a
anticipated a
phonetic
phonetic
property of the
property of the
segment that
segment
comes
that
after
comes
it.
after it.
So, for
So, for
example,
example,
the change
the
in
change
input
in
is
input is
regressive
regressive
because the
because
target
the target
changed
changed
to match
to
the
match
following
the
search
following
P.
search P.
P.
Uh,
So next one
so
is
next one is
assimilation
assimilation
types, place.
types place.
The most
The
common
most
types
common
of
types of
assimilation involve
assimilation
the place
involve
of
the place of
articulation.
articulation.
This is what we
This is
saw,
what we
in
saw in
oh, sorry,
so
in the
in the
previous
previous
slides. In
slides.
both
In both
happen and
happen
input
and
the
input the
alveolar nasal
alveolar nasal
assimilated to the
assimilated to the
bilabial stop
bilabial stop
by
by
becoming the
becoming the
bilabial
bilabial
nasal
nasal.
So other
So other
example
example
includes the
includes the
dentalized,
dentalized,
palatalized, and
palatalized, and
retroflex
retroflex
allophone of
allophone
the
of the
we
we
discussed
discussed
earlier. So
earlier.
this
So
shift
this
in
shift
place
in
of
place
a
of a
very common
very
way to
common way to
simplify speech
simplify
and
speech and
achieve
achieve
greater
greater
fluency.
fluency.
So the next
So
one
the next one
is
is
assimilation types
assimilation types
voice.
voice.
So the second
So the
major
second
types
major
confer
types
voice
conserve
or
voice or
phonation.
phonation.
Sounds either
Sounds
becomes
either becomes
voice or
voice or
voicing or
voicing or
voiceless
voiceless
the
the
voicing
voicing
to agree with
to
their
agree with
neighbor.
their neighbor.
A classic
A
example
classic
is the
example is the
possessive
possessive
marker
marker
s if
s
it's
if
follow
it's
a
follow
voiced
a voiced
sounds.
sounds.
It is
It is
pronounced as
pronounced as
voice.
voice.
Z.
Z.
As in
As in
towns,
towns,
this is
this is
progressive
progressive
assimilation of
assimilation of
voice.
voice.
Conversely, we have
Conversely,
the
we have the
voicing, such
voicing,
as
such
in the
as
common
in the
phrase
common
have
phrase
to,
have to,
where the
where
voiced
the voiced
f
f
regressed to
regressed
the
to the
voiceless f
voiceless f
because of the
because of the
following t.
following t.
So the next
So
one
the next one
is
is
assimilation types,
assimilation types,
nasalization and lip
nasalization and lip
attitude.
attitude.
Assimilation also
Assimilation
includes the
also includes
property
the
of
property of
nasalization.
nasalization.
This is when
This
the
is when
volume
the volume
lower during a
lower during a
segment that is
segment that is
normally
normally
nasal.
nasal.
The most
The
common
most
form
common
is
form is
regressive
regressive
nasalization
nasalization
of a vowel
of a
before a
vowel before
nasal
a nasal
consonant.
consonant.
So,
So,
for
for
example,
example,
in the word
in the word
congress,
congress,
the vowel
the
become
vowel become
nasalized because the
nasalized
nasal
because the
sounds
nasal
swallow it.
sounds follow it.
Finally, lip
Finally, lip
attitude it when
attitude
a
it
lip
when a
rounding
lip
spread
rounding spread
to
to
accent
accent
consonant.
consonant.
If you say
If you
cool
say cool
and what's
and what's
in the
in
mirror,
the mirror,
you'll see the
you'll see the
initial k
initial k
sounds
sounds
become
become
labialized
labialized
due to the
due to
following
the
worded
following
vowel.
worded vowel.
So the next
So
one
the next
is
one is
fusion or
fusion
merging
or
segment.
merging segment.
So fusion
So
is a
fusion is
powerful
a
types
powerful types
of
of
assimilation
assimilation
where two
where
segments
two
combine
segments
to create a
combine to
third
create a third
distinct segment
distinct
that
segment
combines
that combines
properties of both.
properties of both.
This is
This is
frequently
frequently
observed when
observed when a
alveolar
alveolar
stop meets the
stop meets the
palatal
palatal
upper mixman's
approximation.
J. A normal
A
cause
normal cause
conversation called
conversation
chew and
called
would
chew and
chew
would chew
become the
become the
affricates t
affricates t
and z.
and z.
Respectively, the
Respectively, the
resulting sounds
resulting
is a
sounds is
perfect
a
blend,
perfect blend,
combining the
combining the
stop manner,
stop manner,
the
the
continuum manner,
continuum manner,
and a
and
midway
a
place
midway
of
place of
articulation.
articulation.
So
So
let's look at
let's look
process
at
sounds
process
disappear
sounds
in
disappear in
elision
elision
deleting of
deleting of
sounds.
sounds.
So
So
elision is the
elision is the
dilation of a
dilation of a
segment
segment
normally
normally
present in the
present
stream
in
of
the stream
speech.
of speech.
It is highly
It is
common
highly
in less
common in
formal
less
speech
formal
style.
speech style.
The most
The most
frequently allied
frequently
consonant
aligned
are t
consonant are
and
t
d.
and d.
So, for
So, for
example,
example,
the
the
in
in
handsome
handsome
or
or
kindness is
kindness
often
is often
omitted.
omitted.
Sometimes
Sometimes
elision can even
elision can
allow a
even allow a
subsequent
subsequent
assimilation to
assimilation
occur,
to occur,
such
such
as when
as when
handbag first
handbag
deletes
first
the d,
deletes the d,
become,
become,
becoming a
becoming
handbag.
a handbag. So the next
So
one
the next
is
one is
insertion
insertion
or
or
aphenthesis. The
aphenthesis.
final
The
process
final
is the
process is
opposite
the
of
opposite of
addition.
addition.
Insertion, also
Insertion,
known
also known
as
as
aphenthesis,
aphenthesis,
this is
this is when
when segments that are
segments
not
that are
normally
not normally
present
in
in careful speech
careful
are
speech are
inserted into
inserted
the
into the
consequent.
consequent.
Sorry, I mean
Sorry, I mean
sequence.
sequence.
So
So
consonant
consonant
aphenthesis is
aphenthesis is
frequent
frequent
between nasal
between nasal
fricative
fricative
or nasal
or
stop
nasal stop
sequence.
sequence.
For instance,
For
the
instance,
is
the
often
is often
inserted in
inserted in
minch.
minch.
This
This
phenomenon
phenomenon
arises
arise.
the
The
velum
velum
causes before the
causes
oral
before the oral
consonant is
consonant is
formed.
formed.
Yeah, formed
Yeah,
if we say
formed
like
if we
that.
say like that.
So
So
resulting in
resulting
a
in a
ambentatic oral
epenthetic
stop.
oral stop.
So
So
the
the
conclusion,
conclusion,
or to
or to
summarize, we have
summarize, we
moved
have
from the
moved from
former
the
rules
former
governing
rules
sounds
governing sounds
distribution
distribution
to four
to four
key acts
key acts
process.
process.
We explore
We explore
aspiration,
aspiration,
the stress
the
dependent
stress
puff of
dependent puff
air,
of air,
assimilation and
assimilation and
fusion,
fusion,
the strong
the
force
strong
making
force
sounds more
making sounds
alike,
more alike,
and
and
elision and
elision and
appetensis,
appetensis,
the
the
process of
process of
dilatation
dilatation
and
and
addition for
addition for
articulatory ease.
articulatory
This
ease.
process
This
proves
process
that the
proves that
English
the
sounds
English
we
sounds we
produce are
produce
not
are not
static,
static,
but
but
constantly and
constantly and
predictably
predictably
modified by their
modified by their
environment,
environment.
so
So
resulting in the
resulting in the
fluency of
fluency
natural
of natural
speech.
speech.
And then
And then
that's the
that's
last
the last
for me. So
for me.
thank you
So
for
thank you for
listening.
listening.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.